Guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we get started with this video, y'all already know she got to make her a cup of coffee. So here I'm just making me some decaf coffee, my 365 decaffeinated brew, and hope you enjoy this video. Let's get it cracking. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. It's February the 5th. It is the weekend and it's not early. I know y'all see me doing coffee, but that is because she gets up late on the weekend. Even though she don't have to, I just like to sleep in. So guys, hope you all are doing great. Thank you all for my new subscribers. The channel is growing. I really appreciate it. Not too much going on today. If you're wondering, this is outfit of the day. Very casual, cash, whatever you want to call it. Got on my leopard shoes. Got on some little, got on some leggings. And people say leggings. I guess, I don't know, tights or something. I have that on. And I just have my hair in these like tight cornrow, like, do y'all call these cornrows? I don't know. But it is a super nice day today. It's like, I ain't gonna say like super nice, but we'll take a look. I'll let y'all see for yourself. It's like 60, it's gonna be like 60 something today, but there is still a pile of snow, if you could see it, like right there. But other than that, the skies are blue a little bit and everything. But yeah, what are we doing today? Today, y'all, because she did a little bit of, I did a little shopping yesterday, just a little bit of shopping yesterday at Goodwill, and I did a little shopping at the Ben's, just one Ben's store, and that is the reason for our video today. So I'm going to bring you guys along. The video that you see, I'm surely sure for real this time. It will be the new updated family room because, oh, let me lock this door. Because one of the items that I was looking for today, previously that I got yesterday, is going to be in the video that you guys are going to see today. So if you're interested, then I would like you to keep on watching. And at the end of the video, let me know what was your favorite things, or all of them your favorite things. And then also consider subscribing if you like the video. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys can see me well. I don't know if you guys seen it. I put the fiddly fig in the pot here. I hope she does well. She looks good. And when I took her out, her roots was very healthy. So I will bring you guys along, you know, her growth and all that good stuff as time goes on. But the first thing I got, guys, from Goodwill was 2 books. The first one that I bought, this one was, the hardbacks were $1.50. So I got this 20th century. This is a 20th century eyewitness of the 20th century. This is the National Geographic book. And it has like a lot of good pictures and stuff in it. It has a lot of history in it, which I like. And Martin Luther King is in there, so you guys know I like that. And it just tells you a little bit of our history through the years. And they have there's mixed race here. So I absolutely love that. And what caught me is that this book, as you can see, has the black insert. I forgot what they call it. Of the black, whatever, I can't remember right now. But I love that. And then it's black on this side. But the main part was that it is black, gold, and silver. So this is going to be one of my coffee table books for the family room. So like I said, this was $1.50. We'll keep that here. I don't know if you guys can see that because I can't see it on the other side. The next book I got was this beautiful Bible that is leather. The whole thing is leather. Has the tassel here for when you read. You can pick up from where you left off. The fact that it is leather and it is a dark charcoal, I absolutely love that. And then also what caught me the most too was that it is gold. If you guys can see that, do you see the paper around the sides? It is actually gold. So this is the King James Version, and I absolutely love that. This one was $1. So I'm going to show you guys my other Bible that is very, 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 very raggedy, and I am going to get rid of it, and I don't like the fact that I have to, but she does a lot of reading, and it is really, really messed up. I tried to keep it over the years, but I'm going to replace it. So I just think this will look better on my sitting here where I read in this chair, or it's going to be nice sitting on the coffee table for the simple fact that it has the really nice gold feature here. And the words are reading in gold. I just love this. It's so compact. The lettering is bold, and I can see it. So yeah, so those are the 2 books that I got from Goodwill. I also got, hold on guys, let me get this back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the bins. So for the bins, I bought 2 clothing items. I bought a shirt. This is a Cat and Jack. This is 12 months for the baby. So I like that. I got this. I think that clothing items were 50 cents yesterday. And I got a pajama shirt, a man's pajama shirt. It's gray and it's really nice. I like that. It's 100% cotton, has the buttons, has the pocket. So I got that as well. And then, did I say, this is cotton too. Y'all know I try to look for the 100% items, cotton, you know, quality things. Quality over quantity, okay? Y'all, now I think I mentioned to you guys too in another video that I have been wanting to incorporate emerald green into my space because just for a pop of color. Do y'all see what I stumbled across? Isn't that gorgeous? Do y'all see the detail on this? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. It is velvet and it has a zipper here, and actually this pillow actually came with it, but it was in a separate like bag attached together, and it is a feathered, real feathered, this is real feathers, it's goose feathers, goose down feathers, and this is by Basic Home. So I'm gonna Google that to see how much this would have cost, but guys, this is good for that chop, right? So I'm gonna be inserting this pillow back inside this case. So I got this, so both of these together was just $1, okay? Let me put that over here. So the next thing I picked up from the bins, which is gonna go in this one is gonna go in the bathroom, and the one that's in the bathroom that you've seen that was circular in the last haul is gonna go in the family room, because the circular one will go on the circle table, and the square one will be better in the space that the circle one is in. So I'll have to switch out the color. So this one is gonna get spray painted gold, and the circular one is gonna get spray painted black, and I have to stain this as well. So I picked up this as well for $1. Nice tray. I also picked up these paper cups, black and gold, for entertaining when I have company. Instead of them, I only have like a few wine glasses. So this will be great, and I just love the fact that the color and they are paper. I also picked up, guys, this candle care kits. It's a whole kit, y'all. Look at that. Inside this box is your snuffer. Now you tell me, I was like, what? A black matte snuffer, okay? I got that. And this is one of the things that I wanted to order off of Amazon, and I just didn't. So how about that? I saved myself a lot of money because this whole thing was $1. I also got where you snip the candle as well. I think it goes that way. And you snip off the wick. And I also got the part that cleans the inside of your candle jar. Has a little hook on it, as you can see. And it's like you could scrape it. It's thick on the bottom. The handle part is thick on that side. So you actually can scrape. But this whole kit, guys, was $1. I couldn't believe nobody didn't pick this up. Like,